I'm going in, I'm going in, I'm going in, so now. Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Deaja, but you can call me D. And this is my Valentine's Day series. This is day 8. Day 8 Valentine's Day series. This is my heart rose makeup look, and if you want to see how I achieve this look, please continue on watching. So jumping right into this look, the first thing I'm going to do is prime my eyebrows and my pillowy space in the shade Rumour 3. Prime my eyelids. Then I'm gonna go in with my Juvia's Place Satin Powder in the shade Kalahari and set that eye. Then I'm not doing no eyeshadow. Okay, next I'm going to outline my eye with my Benefits Cosmetics eyebrow pencil in the shade 4. I'm about to prime my pores with my 8x5 Pores Illuminator. Then I'm going to take my MAC concealer in the shade NW40 and take away all my dark spots. Now I'm going to blend it out and I'm just going to press it in. So next is foundation. And I'm going in, I'm going in, I'm going in, so now I'm tired. I'm going in with my Juvia's Place foundation in the shade 400 Ethiopia. I'm gonna get my setting powder, my MAC Cosmetics setting spray. With my Juvia's Place contour stick in the shade Zambia. Now I'm going to use my contour, my concealers from the Juvia's Place, and I'm using 13 and 14. I'm putting 14 in the front because it's the lightest shade. And I'm putting 13 everywhere else. So now I'm about to blend out my concealer. I'm gonna do up under my eyes last. Now I'm about to set my face in my Juvia's Place setting powder in the shade Kalahari. When I set my face, I don't bake, I just press it in. Now I'm going in with my Juvia's Place Saharan Desert contour. Can't talk. The Saharan Blush Palette, Volume 2. I'm gonna go in it with that pink shade, Lena. About to do my hearts, my flowers on my heart. And okay, so now I'm taking my pink Pillori's base and I'm going over on top of that red, and I'm just making some rose lines, swirlies, I guess you can call them that. Okay, so almost done. Now I'm going in with my Pillori's base and hint of mint, and I'm going to add some leaves. I'm gonna go back into that white Pillori's base and just add like a white line on all my leaves. I'm going to put that pink Louise base right on my waterline. This is my Milani lipstick. I had this lipstick forever. This is like one of my first lipsticks actually. And this is in the shade Matte Diva 63. So I'm about to pop my lashes on and I'll be right back. So this is the final look. This heart rose lipstick on my teeth. Let me check. Yeah, so this is the final look. This rose heart eye, giving very much bouquet, very much so. And if you enjoyed this tutorial, like, comment, and subscribe. Turn your post notifications on so you won't miss another post from my Valentine's Day series and everything else I post after this. And also, what else y'all can do? Y'all can stalk me on my social medias. All my social medias are in the description. And I think that's all I want y'all to do. So, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Stress and I don't need, baby.